Top summer travel health tips. Stay hydrated, sun-safe and stress-free on vacation. Your health is the one travel companion you can't leave behind. Ignore it and your dream vacation could turn into a nightmare. Travel is supposed to recharge our batteries, not drain them. Yet many people focus on flight times and hotel views while forgetting the basics that keep them feeling good. Wellness coach Juline Musser puts it simply: make movement, nature, and quality time the pillars of any getaway, and the rest often falls into place. But here's where it gets controversial. Some travelers still believe that good luck and a credit card are all the insurance they need. The reality? A tiny amount of prep can spare you huge medical bills and a lot of anxiety. Let's break down exactly how to do it. Health travel checklist. No excuses. 1. Medications and first aid gear. Pack every prescription in its original bottle. Toss in band-aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, plus trip-specific items like sunscreen, insect repellent, and hand sanitizer. A small pill organizer or see-through pouch can speed up security checks. 2. Know the risks before you go. The CDC's travel page offers up-to-the-minute alerts on outbreaks, required vaccines, and even which insects bite in each region. Saving that link offline can be a lifesaver when Wi-Fi disappears. 3. Insurance reality check. Flip your insurance card over and actually read the fine print. Domestic plans often limit out-of-state coverage, and many refuse to pay a cent overseas. Supplemental policies such as the GeoBlue Global Traveler Plan can provide $250,000 or more in emergency benefits. Small cost, gigantic peace of mind. 4. Snack strategy. Packing almonds, protein bars, or dried fruit keeps blood sugar steady and prevents that hangry airport dash for donuts. Occasional splurges are fine, but aim for nutrient-dense choices at least 60 to 80% of the time. 5. Chronic condition cheat sheet. Print, yes, on actual paper, a one-page list of your diagnoses, allergies, and medications. Handing that sheet to a foreign doctor beats struggling with language apps while you're in pain. Summer's biggest health traps, and how to dodge them. Dehydration. Lose more fluid than you take in and you risk heat injury, seizures, or kidney failure. A quick rule of thumb is to sip half your body weight in ounces when you're in the sun. A 150-pound traveler would target roughly 75 ounces daily. Flavor boosts like lemon slices or electrolyte packets make plain water less boring. Sunburn. Every unprotected minute adds up. Daily sunscreen. Loose breathable long sleeves, a brimmed hat, and wraparound sunglasses that block UVA/UVB rays form a 4-layer armor. Some critics worry about chemical sunscreen ingredients. If that's you, look into mineral-based zinc formulas instead. Insect bites. A single mosquito can carry Zika, dengue, or West Nile. Repellents with 20 to 30% DEET on skin and permethrin-treated clothing slash the odds of infection. Natural oils smell nice but may need constant reapplication. Decide which trade-off fits your comfort level. Nutrition slip-ups. Vacation buffet tempt even the disciplined. For travelers managing diabetes, hypertension, or high cholesterol, portion control is non-negotiable. Filling half your plate with vegetables and scanning menus for lower sodium or low glycemic options helps keep numbers in range. When something goes wrong, where should you go? Minor fractures, rashes, and ear infections are often cheaper and faster to handle at urgent care than at an emergency room. Reserve the ER for severe chest pain, compound fractures, or head injuries. And don't forget virtual care. Secure video visits on a phone or laptop can address